The wait is finally over. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is here, and it's bringing some absolutely game-changing upgrades. We're talking about built-in in-reach satellite connectivity, a brand new hybrid AMOLED display, AI-driven fitness coaching, and battery life that could last for weeks, literally redefining what a smartwatch can do. Garmin has taken everything we loved about the Fenix 7 Pro, the solar charging, the rugged build, the pinpoint GPS, and turned it up to 11. But this time, it's not just about fitness, it's about true adventure survival. Imagine being deep in the mountains, far from any signal, and still being able to send a message, share your location, or even trigger an SOS, all from your wrist. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. That's what the Fenix 8 Pro is offering, and it could change outdoor exploration forever. So in today's video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about this powerhouse, from the most reliable leaks and confirmed specs to its new display, battery breakthroughs, and smart AI training tools. This might just be Garmin's smartest, strongest, and most advanced watch ever made, and you're about to see why. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro has become one of the most anticipated smartwatch releases in recent memory, and for good reason. Garmin's Fenix line has always represented the ultimate fusion of endurance, technology, and performance, built not just for athletes, but for explorers, adventurers, and professionals who rely on precision and reliability in the most demanding environments on Earth. The Fenix 7 Pro already set an incredibly high bar with its advanced GPS accuracy, solar charging, and next-generation health tracking. Yet, with the leaks and confirmed details surrounding the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, it's clear that Garmin is preparing to redefine what an outdoor smartwatch can do. From the addition of full in-reach satellite connectivity to revolutionary new sensors, a redesigned display, and improved AI-driven fitness analytics, the Fenix 8 Pro might be Garmin's most ambitious and intelligent watch yet. Let's start with what's making the most noise in the adventure and fitness community: Garmin in-reach integration directly into the Fenix 8 Pro. For years, users have wished Garmin would combine its global SOS and satellite messaging technology into its flagship watches, without needing a separate device like the InReach Mini or Messenger. And now, that dream appears to be coming true. The Fenix 8 Pro reportedly includes built-in in-reach capabilities, allowing for direct two-way messaging, SOS alerts, and location sharing anywhere on Earth. No phone, no LTE, no Wi-Fi required. This single feature completely transforms what it means to carry a smartwatch into the wild. Imagine running a multi-day ultramarathon through mountain ranges or trekking deep into a remote national park, and still being able to send updates to your family, receive emergency weather alerts, or even activate an SOS if things go wrong, all from your wrist. This is the kind of integration that makes the Fenix 8 Pro not just a fitness tracker, but a true survival tool. Moving beyond safety, Garmin is also rumored to introduce an enhanced dual-frequency GPS chip, developed in collaboration with Sony's latest low-power GNSS technology. The Fenix 8 Pro's location accuracy could reach centimeter-level precision even in dense urban environments, thick forests, or mountainous regions where older systems struggled. This will not only improve real-time route tracking but also enhance metrics like pace accuracy, elevation mapping, and total distance analysis. Combined with Garmin's advanced topographic and ski maps, which now might update dynamically using cloud sync,